Hello, my friend. Today we are going to show you how to adjust the machine trimmer. Firstly, we need to get all these tools ready. You can get all these tools in your toolbox and one actual mark pen. And then we take off the needle plate. After that, we remove the rotary hook cover. After that, we come to the machine computer operation. Finger. Debug. Input password. And number 2 and number 1. Trimming. Testing. We press it and then the trimmer will open. And press again, the trimmer will close. We press it and make the trimmer open. When the trimmer is open, we put the thread in the trimmer and then we press it again to make the trimmer close. Trimmer close. And now you see the thread is not cut. Under this situation, we need to adjust the trimmer. First step, we use a mark pen to mark the trimmer. Like this. And then we press the computer to close the trimmer. And then check whether the ink on the trimmer is erased. On this trimmer, you see the ink is not erased, so this position is not okay. We come to the below side of the rotary and get the suitable tool. There are 2 screws below it. Loose these 2 screws slightly, and then we come to the upper side. Fix this screw tight. The first screw, and then close the trim and see whether the ink on the trimmer is erased. And after the first time adjustment, if the ink on the trimmer is not erased, you need to adjust it again. The same procedure. Loose the below 2 screws slightly. Below 2 screws slightly, and then fix the first screw tight. Doing adjustment repeatedly, and then you can put the thread in the middle and operate a lock trimmer on the computer. See whether it can cut thread and see whether the mark, ink on the trimmer is erased. Adjust it like this and it will be okay.